rapidly evolving business landscape, providing outstanding IT services is essential for the success of any organization. But what happens when your current IT service management system falls short of meeting your evolving needs? Our client, a leading education services provider in the US, faced several challenges with their existing Cherwell ITSM system. They had limited integration and automation capabilities, lack of advanced features, complex processes, outdated end-user experience, poor agent experience, lack of monitoring reports and dashboards, performance analytics. Royal Cyber undertook a comprehensive approach to address clients' challenges and requirements, assisted in ITSM and ITOM license estimation, conducted requirement gathering workshops, compared Cherwell and ServiceNow ITSM capabilities, performed gap analysis, recommended migration strategy based on identified gaps and migration best practices. Our phased migration approach ensured a smooth transition from Cherwell to ServiceNow. Phase 1, MVP, Core Migration, Cherwell Sunset. Phase 2, Enhancements on ServiceNow. Phase 3, Additional integrations. The result for our client, a transformational journey that yielded remarkable outcomes. Improved user experiences for end users and support engineers. Enhanced visibility due to real-time reporting. Improved internal business processes due to integration with a custom portal. Improved MTTR by 30% due to auto-routing and automation. Attention Cherwell users. Are you ready to take your IT service management to the next level? Join the countless organizations who have made the switch to ServiceNow with the expertise of Royal Cyber by their side. Contact us today, and let's embark on a seamless migration journey together.